Hello guys, we're now in Subic, White Rock Beach. We're now in Subic. This is my car unit with my boss. Very nice car.
Alphard.
This is Alphard Toyota. Let's go guys. We're here in White Rock Beach. So very hot guys in the Philippines. So I decided to going to my planet. I show you the wave pool this morning. So very hot. Yeah. Yes, good morning. We're very hot. We're going now to wave pool. Oh, very nice. We have a horse here. Dami nagsiswimming dito guys. Sayang, dapat nag-swimming din tayo. Kaya lang naligo na ako. Maga pa ako naligo. Baka kasi umalis yung boss, kumain sa labas. Guys, ang ganda oh. Kaya lang ang mahal dito. Umulubi tayo pag tayo magbayad. Guys, sa paligo. Tapos na ang ligo. We're now on the beach.
Bubuti mo padulas ako doon. Videoan mo nga ako doon. Padulas ako ngayon.
Kumakit din, par. Napataas.
Ako.
Busog ako eh.
Ako lang.
Hindi, ilagay mo lang dito. Makikita naman.
Ayaw, doon na dito.
Kaya lang, hindi maingay dun eh.
Kaso mag-ano nun. Tawag mo yung mga yun.
Bilisan mo kasi baka mamaya kumain yun. Baka kumain mga boss.
Dito na kami ngayon.
Sarap mag-slide guys, oh. Ang sarap mag-slide.
Sliding door.
Kaya lang ayoko kasi tapos na maligo guys. Aga-aga ko maligo. We should prepare here early in the morning for our boss. Later we go out. We go out, go to restaurant to eat Chinese food. Because boss are not eating Filipino food.
One piece. Ayun, may maganda rin yung
Ito parang naka one piece parang naka one piece sa likod. Dito sa likod.
ayoko. Pasok ko. Ano lang. Ayun na.
Parang si Magellan paro.
So, grabe yung init dito.
Guys, nasusunog na yung pagmumukha ko. Guys, kahit makapal ang mukha ko, nasusunog na pala par yung mukha ko par. Sunog na oh. We're very hot in the Philippines. So I going to my hometown. Guys, ang ganda guys, oh, may dinosaur pa oh. Kaya lang yung dinosaur hindi nakagalaw guys. Yun guys, oh. Naka-steady lang yung dinosaur. Oh, guys. Naka-steady lang yung dinosaur guys. We are here now in Liverpool. Dinosaur. Parta na par, subirihat na. Subirihat. Let's go to our room because very hot now. Bye guys. See you later.